Before you hear danger, the tiger has already won. In the wild, a tiger kills without a sound by turning silence into a weapon. Padded paws erase footsteps, stripes break its shape. One slow breath, then a lightning leap. Powerful jaws crush the throat, stopping any scream. No roar, no warning, just pressure, precision, and darkness. That's why prey never knows the moment death arrives, only that the forest suddenly goes quiet. This is nature's most efficient, terrifying ambush ever witnessed.